I'm Dipesh Patel, editor at Treasury Payments. Today we're in Tashkent, Uzbekistan at the Tashkent International Investment Forum. I'm delighted to be joined by the chairman of Ipoteka Bank, the fifth largest bank in Uzbekistan. Sandro, welcome.
Great to see you.
So, quick introduction. Who are you, where are you from, and what do you do?
Again, I'm the chairman of Ipoteka Bank, which is a part of the OTP Group. I've joined the bank in Uzbekistan 1 year ago, and previously I was a deputy CEO, head of retail at OTP Bank, Russia.
And Sandro, what brings you to TIFF this year?
The best place to meet potential partners, find out about the most recent innovations in the business, and obviously the investment forum is becoming a place to be as it's attracting more and more partners and attendance every year.
OTP Bank is headquartered in Hungary, and this is OTP Bank's first foray into Central Asia, and that happened last year, is that right?
2 years ago.
2 years ago. So what was the strategy behind opening and building out presence here in Uzbekistan and into Central Asia?
Obviously, OTP Group is present in 11 countries. It's one of the largest Eastern European banking groups. Mm-hmm. And market which develops so fast is going through the reformations and is encouraging new investments was something that we could not pass on.
Thank you. And what does this mean for Uzbek countries with regards to cross-border financing and payments, domestic financing, and also growth into international markets, such as trade finance services, for example?
So first of all, we were the first European bank to enter Uzbekistan. We were also the first bank to successfully got privatized, the Ipoteka Bank. So obviously it means that we will set a scene for the future investors to come into the market. With our experience in corporate payment and generally the universal banking, we are planning to set the standard for certain directions and products. This obviously includes the corporate products such as the corporate payments, international payments, instruments such as letter of credit, and so on and so on. So we plan to bring European experience to Uzbekistan, and obviously that is just the beginning.
Thank you very much. And coming from the United Kingdom, all the rhetoric is around digitalization. And I think you guys have mentioned the hybrid model for digitalization. What does that mean for banks? What can they expect? And how does that make journeys for the corporates easier when it comes to the whole suite of using banking products, cash management and transaction banking?
Uzbekistan is extremely digital already as it is. If you take a look at our banking model, in retail side already 90% of key products are sold via mobile application. It's possible to open accounts for legal entities as well as for individuals remotely. Mm-hmm. So that means that digital services focused on the corporate banking will increase. More acquisition and servicing will happen through digital. And it is quite unique even compared to some of the European markets. So we bring obviously our expertise, but we also learn a lot because the local players are quite strong in that direction. And there is a very good synergy of us bringing European experience and absorbing into account the local expertise.
Thank you. I guess that's kind of leapfrogging.
Correct.
Final question. It's not OTP Bank's first foray into acquiring banks, and you were deputy CEO of the Russian branch. What tips can you give to smoothly transition the acquisition of what is a large bank here in Uzbekistan to make sure that integration happens properly, especially for all of your end consumers and particularly some of the business and corporate clients?
Well, first of all, is a huge investment in IT transformation that takes time. Our investment horizon in IT transformation over 3 years, the investment amount exceeds $100 million. Mm-hmm. So that's a big component of the value add we bring. And obviously, generally bringing not only the expertise, but the product design, product structure, just speeds up the process of implementing those products locally.
Thank you. And final question, what's your key takeaway from TIFF 2025?
That Uzbekistan is definitely the right country to be right now, and it is very likely that it will continue the transformation and development process that is on.
Thank you very much. That was Sandro, CEO at Ipoteka Bank at the Tashkent International Investment Forum. Uzbekistan is the place to be. Thank you.
Thank you very much.